Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode we are going to be making my unplanned barbecue fish with me. So it's one of my friend's birthday. Admola, shout out to you. He said I should please help him to make barbecue with this fish, and being his birthday I decided to grant him that wish. I ensured to wash and clean the fish thoroughly. Being that it is something I didn't plan for, I had to wash it with something that is readily available for me, which is alum. I soaked the fish in an alum water, after which I rinsed it thoroughly and dried it with my paper towel. I made an incision on the fish. This will allow the ingredient to enter the fish very well.
I let it fall. My heart, does it feel? You rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips.
I then mix some Maggi and salt together and rub it on the fish.
But my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, and the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned, well I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
I left it to marinate while I prepared the sauce. Here is a roughly chopped pepper, tomato and onions. Then I proceed to frying the pepper.
I'm about to give me again.
When I lay with you, I could stay there, closing my eyes.
I added a little of the pepper mix that I have in my freezer.
Together, nothing gets better, 'cause there's a side.
I added Maggi and salt, and voila, a pepper sauce is ready. Sometimes I like to be extra. I dressed my foil paper with the oil from the sauce and I placed the fish on it. Then I ensure that every crook and cranny of the fish has sauce in them.
Well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain and I threw us into the flames.
I also added some extra ginger and onions just to add extra taste to the fish.
As I know 50 bend on dog, that go disrespect on dog. Then I shoot them waiting they saw. So they my own, and I don't know waiting they come. Yeah, waiting in vain. I'm about to give me again. Waiting they saw, waiting they play. I know pay attention of course. Waiting you hear, waiting and talk. I'm watching my back and facing my front. Truth today, but I need to know so. Cause you know be rice and beans and palm out. Me and my people done they concern. Make we they understand waiting this up. I know be one of those men with the fear to fuck cash. Check I'm not back urupa. Me I know say everybody got to die one day. Bury 6 feet under kulota. As I know 50 bend on dog, that go disrespect on dog. Then I show them waiting this up.
I then give the fish a good wrap. I doubled the wrap actually for extra durability. I place it in the oven depending on the heat of your oven. I actually baked mine for 40 minutes and it came out so good, so soft and so sweet. And that will be all for this video. Till I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye.